don't even want to taste it. Maybe I could though.
It's like cooked green beans. Those are gross. I don't even know how to describe it. I don't know what they did to make it feel like.
Feels like nasty things coming.
Ew.
I know.
What is it?
Nope.
Nope.
They have nothing in it. Oh, look at it. It's nasty. I don't want
Asparagus.
asparagus.
It's
No.
like asparagus.
That is nasty. Yeah,
I would never eat that again.
I would never eat that. Yeah.
I want to eat this again. Make sure to subscribe.
Smash that like button and comment down below.
Drink this. It's good. And thanks for watching.
And this one's good, and thanks for watching.
Peace. See ya. Peace.